the Department of Tourism, Telangana Tourism Development Corporation, and Department of Culture, Government of Telangana, have officially entered the Guinness World Records by creating the tallest Bathyukama ever assembled. Held at the Saronagar Stadium in Hyderabad, the celebration won the 2 world records for its largest Bathyukama floral decoration, with about 7 tons of flowers and of 63.11 feet high, 11 feet wide, and for the highly synchronized performance by a large number of women of 1354. The Bathyukama was built by around 300 workers with metal, bamboo, and flowers, and the structure took 72 hours to complete. The final count of women who participated was 1354. State Tourism Minister Jubilee Krishna Rao and Women Development Minister Anasuya Sidhaka, GHMC Mayor Gadwal Vijayalakshmi, Miss World Opal Sachata, alongside her fellow continental queens, attended the event.
ప్రభుత్వం తరపున ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి